We're here today with Kenny Schmitz from Kearney, Nebraska. And Kenny last spring tried on a 16-row John Deere planter. Half of the, he had half right and half left of the zipper closing wheels. The zipper closing wheels, the gold is on, it goes on the right side of the planter and facing the back of the planter, and the silver goes on the left side. So he had tried one row, and he come down now and he got the rest of the rows to put. What'd you run on the other side? A rubber tire or just
a rubber tire?
Rubber tire on the, okay. Talk just a little bit about it. You had Slagles on and probably wasn't closing like it should or
It didn't
something.
seem like it was, well, the ground was pretty wet then, and it didn't seem like it was closing the slot like it should, so we tried some different spoked wheels and stuff, and we like these the best. So,
And we get a lot of comments from farmers, well, I want to try one side. So they'll put them on, and in season or the following season, they'll call us back and say, hey, these work well, but I need both sides. And the reason why we use both sides, a lot of companies out there on the market they just use one side because they go so deep and they start spading seeds up. Ours don't do that. We can run both sides in tilled soil or no till or minimum till, sandy, gumbo, you name it, dry, wet soils, and they don't disturb the seeds in the furrow. And so you liked what they did, so he come down and he bought the other side. He ran them last spring. So anything else you want to talk about just a little bit? And
no, I guess they really improved the seed slot closing, and we were happy with them. So,
yeah. Thank you. I appreciate your business, and we appreciate your comments. Thank you.